Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
Welcome family. So today I'm going to share with you how I make lollipop jerk barbecue chicken. Okay. So first thing, we're gonna cut the chicken legs them into lollipop. So we're gonna get it like this. You could use a knife to do this also. So this is how they're supposed to look. And you have to be careful, this bone will stick in your finger. There's a small bone right there. You have to be careful. So this is how they're supposed to look. You're gonna go ahead. So from here, you're gonna go ahead and repeat the same process until you finish all of them, okay? So now I already finished cut them into lollipops. So now I'm going to wash them. So I'm washing the chicken with white vinegar. And fresh lime. Please ensure to wash your meat properly, okay? Alright, so now time to season them. So over here, half tablespoon of onion powder. Half tablespoon of garlic powder. Then you're gonna go ahead with your favorite chicken season. We're gonna go ahead 2 tablespoons of Walker's with jerk season. 2 tablespoons. Now we're gonna rub all this in together. Just like that, my people. And this is not spicy, okay? I didn't use it, I used the mild one, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the tip of the bones so that they don't burn. So I wrap them with the aluminum foil so they don't burn in the oven. Just like that. So this is how they look when I finish to wrap the foil on them. So now I'm going to put them in the oven for 20 minutes at 375. Then I'm going to take them out, add the barbecue sauce to them, and put them in back for another 10 minutes. So 30 minutes in total cooking time. So now I'm going to add some barbecue sauce in this bowl. Go add some ketchup. Not too much ketchup. Go whisk them in together. Just like that. So now I'm going to pull them out the oven after 20 minutes. Brush them with the sauce and then add them back for another 10 minutes. this is how they look after 20 minutes in the oven. Now I'm going to add the barbecue sauce. So now I'm going to place them back in the oven for 10 minutes. So this is all my Lollipop jerk barbecue chicken they look when they finish. So please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipes to come up. Peace out.